Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to introduce you to 6 life-saving tools for painters that every artist must have. First up, we have the oval wash brush. This brush is perfect for creating long, flowing strokes and blending colors seamlessly. With its wide shape and soft bristles, it allows you to cover large areas quickly and evenly. Next, we have the round foam brush. This versatile brush is ideal for adding texture and depth to your artwork. Whether you're creating clouds or foliage, the round foam brush can easily achieve those soft, organic shapes. Moving on, we have the foam roller. This tool is a game changer when it comes to painting large surfaces. Its sponge-like texture allows you to apply even coats of paint to walls or canvases in no time. Say goodbye to streaks and brush marks. Now, let's talk about masking tape. This simple tool is a painter's best friend. It helps you create clean, straight lines and protect areas that you don't want to paint. It's a must-have for achieving precision and professional-looking results. Next on the list is the painting knife. This tool is perfect for adding texture and creating bold, impasto effects. Whether you're blending colors or scraping paint away, the painting knife gives you an incredible amount of control and freedom. Last but not least, we have the fan brush. This brush is great for creating beautiful, delicate effects like tree branches or grass. Its unique shape allows you to paint multiple lines with a single stroke, making it a time-saving tool for any artist. And there you have it, the 6 must-have tools for painters